Welcome back to our Wealthy Mindset, where we talk about all things money, mindset, and business. It's your host, Cindy, and today we're talking about why you need a fractional CFO. So let me guess, you've got the bookkeeper, you've got the accountant, and yet you're still staring at your bank account every month like, where the fuck is my money going? And you're not alone. This is so common and something I see with almost all my clients. So this episode is for the woman who's bringing in the cash but doesn't know what to do with it. You're not bad with money. You've just outgrown basic support. And what you need now is a fractional CFO. So let's get into it. So let's look at what the difference is. A bookkeeper, they record what happened, categorize expenses, reconcile the books. They're the here's what you spent last month person. The accountant, they file what happened, do your taxes, send your year end to the CRA. They're the see you in April person. They only talk to you once a year. Now, CFO, we ask, what are you doing next? We help you lead with numbers, not just look back at them. We're not just looking at what happened, we're helping you plan for where you want to go and how to actually make money doing it. But look, let's be honest. You can make $300K and still feel broke. You can be hitting almost $1 million and still feel broke. You can be booked and busy and still not be paying yourself. And you can launch offer after offer, work with coach after coach, and still have no strategy with your money. And that's where I come in. So if you've ever said, I make good money, but I have no idea where it goes, I want to scale, but I don't know if I can afford to hire, I'm scared to invest because I don't know what's smart or what's impulsive. And that's not a you problem, that's a strategy problem. Money without a plan will always feel stressful. Most high income entrepreneurs don't need more sales, they need more control, more systems with their money. Because making money is one skill. Knowing how to manage and multiply it, that's another level. And know your accountant isn't going to do that for you. Your bookkeeper's not going to do it for you either. So let me paint the picture for you. When you have a CFO in your business, you know how much you can pay yourself. You have a profit plan, not just a revenue goal. You understand where your money is going. You feel calm when you look at your accounts, not panicked. Because you already know how much you're going to pay yourself, what your expenses look like, how much you're going to keep after you pay everything out. Because the CFO helps you build good systems. And if you're not sure, you can message them, email them, connect with them, and ask them at any given point because they know what's going on in your business inside and out. You can hire with confidence because you've done the math. You stop winging it and start leading your business like a real CEO that can make good financial decisions. Let's make this practical. Here are 4 things you can do right now to step into your CEO era financially. Ask yourself, do I have a plan for my income or am I just reacting to it? Am I just living month to month? If you're avoiding your bank account, it's time to change that. Get clear on your numbers. Look at how much you made last month, how much you spent, how much you paid yourself, where are you spending the money? And this isn't about judgment, it's about awareness. Create a decision filter. Before making any big moves, hiring, launching, investing, ask yourself, can I afford this right now? And 3 months from now? What needs to happen to get a return on investment? Book a CFO consult. If you're scaling and still guessing, you don't need another course. You just need a financial strategy and systems built in. You need someone to look at the back end of your business and build you a financial game plan. So you're not just here to make sales, you're not running your business to feel like you're always working, you're draining yourself out, you're building a business, a legacy, and that requires more than just vibes and sending out invoices. It requires leadership. A CFO does not replace your bookkeeper or your accountant, you would still need them, but they give you something those roles can: clarity, control, and cash flow. And that's what I bring to the table. And if you're ready to finally feel in control of your money, DM me the word CFO and let's talk. Let's really look at what's going on in your business and where the root problems are so we can fix those so you can pay yourself more, keep more money, be more intentional with where you're spending it. Until next time, share this with a friend who also needs to hear it, and I'll see you in the next episode.